neverquitmath.com. Let's go. Alright, today what we're going to do, subtracting numbers of different signs. This is pretty straightforward, and let's follow the steps. As you look as I go through the steps, I put a little example that we're going to start out with, and we're going to follow along with that example as we're looking at the rules. So these are the three simple rules. First thing you want to do, I got -3 minus a +5. Of course, this is a +5 because there's no little negative sign that you see above there. So it's -3 minus 5. So what do? You turn the subtraction sign into addition. Always the first step. I know they may seem a little confusing, but if you get accustomed to these steps, you'll never have trouble subtracting numbers with different signs. Okay? So, see that negative sign, that subtraction sign actually? I turned it into an addition sign. Turn your subtraction sign into addition. So we got -3 plus 5. You're not done yet. Next step, change the sign of the second number. So the second number, which is my 5, it was +5, right? Then we changed it into a -5. So you got -3 plus -5. Once you here, you just follow addition. And since we learned addition in the last video, everything should be straightforward. For us, a negative plus a negative is equal to another negative. So -3 plus -5 is equal to -8. That's how it goes. As long as you have your additions comfortable, follow these 3 steps, everything will be smooth. That's what we got for subtracting numbers with different signs. Now let me do some examples so we can just get the practice of it. Alright? Alright, so let's do some examples. Got it? So we got -3 minus 7. Alright? So what are we going to do? First thing is we want to turn that subtraction sign into addition. Just like that. Then we want to change the sign of the second number. So since it's positive, we make it negative. -3 plus -7 is going to be equal to what? -10. Negative plus a negative equals a negative. Moving on. How about if we have, let's try -5 minus -8. Slightly different. We got 2 negatives. But turn your subtraction to addition and then change the sign of the second number. Just like that. So -5 plus -8. What are we going to do? Now we're adding numbers with different signs. So go right back to our addition rules. Let me pull them up. So what does it say? Negative plus a positive. Subtract smaller from bigger and keep the sign of the bigger number. Just like that. So if we go back to our chart and we know the rules, there's no problem. Piece of cake. So -5 plus -8. 8 minus 5 is going to give me equal to 3. Then I keep the sign of the bigger number. The bigger the number was positive, so this just remains +3. Got it? Next thing. Let's go -9 minus -12. Turn subtraction into addition. Boom. Then after that, what you want to do is change the sign of the bigger number. Change the sign of the second number, right? -9 plus 12. Now we're back to addition. So addition of numbers with different signs is straightforward. 12 minus 9 gives us 3. Which number was bigger? The positive. So +3 is our answer. Alright? Let's try another one. -3 minus 11. I guess I like -3, right? So -3 minus 11. Subtraction to an addition. Change the sign of the second number. -3 plus -11 is equal to what? Negative answer, 14. So let's do one more, and that's the basic flow of it. So we did negative. We started out with a negative minus a positive. We started out with a negative minus another negative. So now let's start out with a positive minus a negative. All right. So let's do 9 minus -3. So what happens here? Turns your subtraction to an addition. Then you change the sign of the second number. Since that's negative, you make it positive, and you got 9 plus 3, and that's just equal to 12. Isn't that one so nice? Those are pretty easy, right? Let's try another one. Let's say +14, because we're doing the positive numbers now, right? Minus -7. So what do? Turn subtraction into addition, make that positive. Then after that, change the sign of the second number, make that positive. 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. Alright? And it's positive. So that's the flow, that's the technique. Just continue to practice it, and that's how you get it down. All right, so let's do this. Neverquitmath.com. Let's go.